I wanted to come by today and show you guys something new I am about to try. I've seen a few people doing it, but it's one of those like French tips that you use a puncher by Fiskars. Comes with 3 different ends to it, and that's what I'm gonna be trying today. I got the inspiration from actually my wedding day in 2002, November 2002. It's gonna be 18 years this year. I used to get French tips, but it was acrylic, and the guy used to do a spray, you know, with like the white spray, and I loved it. And that's what I did for my wedding day. Then after that, I took off all the acrylics, but I was like, I want to have a French tip like that. I really enjoy that, and I didn't want to do it by hand because I was afraid that it would be like all different. So I decided, why not try one of those puncher things that everybody's talking about? You know, you could do any color, any set into a French tip. So I thought I'm gonna go look for one that has fancy ends to it and see if it works. And this one's called Lace. So I'm gonna try it, and I'm trying this with you guys. And we'll see how it comes out. This might be the new thing, who knows? Oh, I'm sure there's other people out there who's already doing this, but this is my first time. So here's my French, and I am going to give this a try. Of course, as always, start with your prep pad to get all the, I already washed my hands, and I wanted to get all the oils off your nails. Okay, so we're gonna try that one. See how this works. Okay, you see that? Let's see how this would look. What do you guys think? Too weird? Should I keep going? I think I want to keep trying. I'm gonna try another one. So you have to like push it halfway and then push it down. Come on. There you go. Doesn't want to come off? I will force you out. Okay, let's try. I would suggest just doing all the punching and then putting them on. I think that'll be what's best. So here's another one. I would put it in there, start pressing, and then turn it around and push it down. Grab your strip. there is my attempt for, I am sweaty and hot. The AC just kicked in. But this was my attempt. It's exactly what I was looking for, but it took too long. I would not recommend it. At least not with this style of lace. The hole puncher just kept getting stuck. See, I'll show you, like there's like residue inside there, and I would have to keep cleaning it up because it would get stuck, probably because of the sticker. Anyways, well, I guess I will have this pretty for a little while, and I'm gonna stick to just regular French. Unless you guys have a different idea for different designs. I know I've done the V, you know, like that chiffon look. I've done that. And I've done just the regular French tip. I'm probably like super close to you guys right now because I didn't even set up the camera. I was just like, you know what, let me just get here. They need to eat. I need to get a drink of water and wipe myself because I'm sweating. Don't ever try doing this when the AC goes off and you just want to get it done, and don't go back to turn it on. But well, let me know what you guys think, and not all videos could come out as happy ending. I would say this was a bittersweet. I got the look I wanted, but it was a lot of work. And if you guys done something like this, let me know your experience, please. And if you achieve it, like if it came out great and it was fast and easy, tell me how. Tell me how. Thank you for watching.